The dish I've decided to make it's called jollof rice. Um, I'm originally from West Africa, or shall I say my parents. I'm of third generation, and I've lived here all my life. Um, and I guess in relation to jollof rice, although it originates from Senegambia, which is in West Africa, I think a lot of countries in West Africa have adopted their own version. And I guess my version comes from Nigeria, particularly Lagos. In terms of the ingredients that you use for the dish, being a vegetarian, I go for the vegetarian option. So you need plum tomatoes. I use the long peppers rather than the small bell peppers because they're more sweeter. I use onions. I also use the little Scotch bonnet, depending on how spicy you like your food. So then what I do is I put that all in a blender. I think I mentioned tomatoes, and I blend it all together. And then in a pan, I put some oil with some onions and some garlic, and then fry that. And then I add my blended onions, tomatoes, and pepper into the pan and let it cook. I then add some salt, some curry powder, some Maggi cubes, some curry seasoning, and some onga. And all these products can be brought from Brixton Market, Peckham Market, but I guess you're mainly going to find those ingredients in maybe densely populated by Afro-Caribbean communities. In terms of cookware, I guess you just need a pot that is quite porous, so it means that in terms of just cooking or the heat that you're using, it's not going to burn quickly. In terms of the rice that you want to use, it's entirely up to you. I have adapted the recipe from my mum. And I guess when my mum cooks it, she uses the stock from the meat. But I guess being a vegetarian, that's not an option for me. I guess I've been making the dish from maybe when I was about 11, and I've just continued making it. My children love it, my family love it, and I guess we'll continue to eat it. We'll eat it with anything. So whether it would be with meat, or that's for my family, or whether it will be with vegetables or fish, or anything that you like. It's just an accompanied dish for something else that you might enjoy it with.